Happy Easter, everyone! This is a three-parter. So in the first two parts, I'm gonna show you how to naturally dye Easter eggs. In the third part, I will show you how to make a super easy, cool Easter nest or Easter basket. This is part 3 and the last part. Here I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy and cool Easter nest.
Welcome to my life as a carnivore.
Okay, I kind of went overboard with dyeing and decorating eggs, but I had so much fun. So I only used three dyes. We have the red cabbage, these are the blue ones. We have the turmeric, the yellow ones, and the onion skins that looks like those would-be brown eggs, but they're actually white eggs that got dyed. So you see green ones and some kind of turquoise, so like here you have some orange, some kind of cool stuff. This was me experimenting. I put this one I put first in yellow and then in the onion skins, and then I think that one I put in all three. They are a bit yeah, so I kind of did a lot of experimenting with that. And then I have here some where I glued flowers on it and some grass. And here, of course, the ones that I put, you saw me doing those, put the flowers, the whatever, in cheesecloth. Here I tried with carving. Oh yeah, by the way, everything you see here, all the dyeing, all the decorating, it's my first time I've ever done that. So also here the carving, my first time I tried with carving. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something now. I was really mad. Yep, I damaged it. It happens. So these are not 53 eggs, so yeah, here are more, and here are more. These kind of didn't come out very nicely. Here are more. And here are more. Eggs everywhere. I'm surrounded by eggs. I'm gonna eat a lot of eggs. Happy Easter, everyone! If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna have some meat now.
Welcome to my life as a carnivore.